To get the most out of your BMO US account, it is essential to understand the key features and benefits it offers. First, you need to know that a BMO US account allows you to hold and manage your US dollar funds separately from your Canadian dollar accounts. This can be particularly useful for individuals who frequently travel to the US, have business interests in the US, or invest in US stocks and bonds. When opening a BMO US account, you will typically need to provide identification and proof of address, as well as meet the bank's eligibility requirements. Once your account is set up, you can easily manage your US dollar funds through online banking or the BMO mobile app. One of the key benefits of a BMO US account is that it allows you to avoid exchange rate fluctuations when making US dollar transactions. For example, if you are buying a property in the US, having a BMO US account can help you lock in a favorable exchange rate and avoid costly conversion fees. Another important tip is to take advantage of BMO's cross-border banking services, which allow you to easily transfer funds between your Canadian and US accounts. This can be particularly useful for individuals who need to make frequent cross-border transactions. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep your BMO US account information up to date and secure. This includes regularly reviewing your account statements, monitoring your account activity, and keeping your login credentials and account information confidential. Finally, it is worth noting that BMO offers a range of additional services and tools to help you get the most out of your US account. These include foreign exchange services, investment products, and travel insurance. By taking advantage of these services and following the tips outlined above, you can maximize the benefits of your BMO US account and achieve your financial goals.